Welcome to the
I'm Staff Sergeant Proto with the soldiers of the 1st Cavalry Division.
Pizza Hut Truck Series at Atlanta. Second race of the season.
Alright everybody, just like we'll be talking about the transporter. Nice
hopefully it'll be a really good race. On pole, you have Emerson on second, Landon Cardulo. Third, Bob Markle. Fourth, Cody Russell. And rounding out your top five is Zach Mail. We've been having really quick times here. 29.7. Really fast times here. Bob Markle and Cody Russell have the same exact lap. Just how close qualifying is. Pace car goes down. Emerson Arden gonna lead us to the green flag at Atlanta. Green. I think it's a really good start. Bob Markle following Emerson. Are you too wide landing? Not get a good entry in the one, so he's gonna hold up the top. Two by two, Zach Merrill leading the bottom lane. Emerson gonna block their momentum. Zach trying to get under Emerson. Not gonna happen. Alex in the 31. Trying, yeah, Emerson. You got an Emerson. It's only a matter of time until he clears him. Oh, they're three wide. Taller Markle on the very bottom. This is 62 of Cameron. Joseph Lombard, followed by 17 and DJ Harris. Ken trying to fall in line. Joseph trying to lead lap 3 to the line. It's gonna be Joseph. DJ Harris to the lead. Ken following. Michael Kidwell third in line. Oh, the 13 of Jason Williams blow a motor. That's not gonna be good. You had trouble at Daytona, now you're gonna have trouble at Atlanta. They go 4 wide. It looks like it might be over. 2 by 2 by 2. Mike Kidwell to the lead. Followed by Philip Goldberg. Ethan Arden gonna make it 3 wide with Michael Kidwell, Philip Goldberg. '14 of Brandon Newberry to the lead. 4 wide. John gonna make it 4 wide and they hold it. Billy Dillon, followed by Tony Mayo. Inside lane is Holland. To the line is it gonna be Tony Mayo? It looks like it was Dillon by close margin. Almost 4 wide in the back. Landon pushing Joseph. Landon trying to get the bottom with the 32 Jackson. Still 3 wide. Someone pulls out, makes it 4 wide. It's gonna be hell. Jackson gonna get on a Landon. Landon's gonna have no help. Three wide for about like 8 laps. This is intense racing. Tyler Marco went on pit road, or I think he lost some gas or something, but leaking oil or something, but he's not going anywhere. Landon trying to make it 4 wide with Jackson. '81 I can walked all the way up the hill. To the lead Ken. Emerson going under Jacob Zales. Emerson going under Ken. Followed by Cody Russell. Cody Russell is going to push from John. The lead is Cody Russell. Brandon Newberry trying to make it 3 wide under the 7 truck of John. 3 wide entering turn 1, lap 11 out of 33. Cody Russell led lap 11. Racing really hard to the back straightaway. Michael Kidwell with Bob Marco, Tony Mayo. All these name drivers that we know. 4 wide in the back. Zach Mayo getting squeezed between Cameron and Landon. 4 wide in the back of the first pack. Getting settled out. To the lead, Tony Mayo. Followed by Ethan Arden. Really slow truck with Rusty Bob Basinski. Really slow truck. And now it looks like they're going to have a little bit of trouble getting around. Tyler Marco in pit road. Gonna be almost 4 wide for the lead. On this truck, better want to pick a lane fast. And then what? It looks like whatever lane's gonna be is gonna slow them down. Zach Mayo's gonna be maybe the first one to pick which lane he wants to go. Looks like he's gonna go to the top. Rusty's gonna go to the top. Rusty's gonna go back to the bottom. And they're gonna be 4 wide almost. Zach hits the wall with a tad. And they're almost 4 wide. With the Rusty Babinski being the slow one. Joseph was about to cause a huge wreck on the front straightaway. Rusty looks like he has the truck now just because he's in the draft now. He's still holding pace, but not because they're going to have trouble getting around him since he's going to be up to pace. Tyler Marco comes out of pit road. 4 laps down. Lennon to the lead. Emerson going on to the Landon, followed by Brandon Newberry. 3 wide. Cal is going to make it 3 wide to the lead. Oh, they're having a little bit of a cluster back there, almost 4 wide. Just trying to get around the lap truck. 2 by 2. 3 wide, a little bit of a scatter in the back of the first pack. Almost 4 wide. Zach Mayo is gonna squeeze the middle. I'm gonna try to make it work. Brand Newberry, the 24 and the 14 of Brand Newberries. Lead 3 wide. With Jennifer Jocarb, Cameron, and Landon. They're going to be 4 wide of Brandon Newberry. Ken squeezing up Zach and wow, just This is intense racing. And here they come. They're coming to lap traffic. Two really slow trucks. They're gonna probably fill right in after they pass a couple. They get past. Kenny Strait is going to get hold up by Cody Russell. Three wide. That'll be two packs. Kenny Strait is holding up John and everybody on the top lane. Tyler Marco probably going to do the same exact thing. Everybody tries to dive down low. And I believe he just be just like a Kenny Schrader. By Marco. They're both brothers. They're gonna give each other a push, it looks like. Wow, he's trying to do everything he can just to get around the Tyler. As Tony Mayo to the lead, 13 laps to go. Bob gonna make it 3 wide with the help of Jacob. 3 wide, Bob, Ken, Tony. Tyler helping out Ken. And Ken just got clear of Tony. To the lead, Bob live lap 20. Packed in a little bit of faded out. Is single file. Jacob gonna dive down low. Gonna get under Bob. Jacob's gonna have the preferred line and help from Tyler. Tyler's gonna push Jacob to the lead. Cody Russell pushing Tyler. Looks like Cody is just trying to get on Tyler right now. And he's gonna get the help of Tony. Tyler, you're gonna get suckled out here. That'll be a huge wreck as Jacob was just trying to hold the car on top. 3 wide behind them, Tyler, Ken, and Brandon Newberry on the very top. On the top. Go Bob, led lap 22. As they're 3 wide and their first pack is grouping right back up together. Rusty, a lap truck getting pushed by Flip Goldberg. And Bob gonna block all 3 lanes. Bob gonna lead lap 23. Philip gonna block all lanes too. Philip just trying to, looks like get on the Bob, but it looks like it's not gonna happen. Bob, Lynn, and Zach trying to get away from the first pack, but here comes Cameron with the help of Jackson. Behind him is Austin. Bob with lap 25. Cameron gonna pull out to a little bit of the lead, and they're gonna catch a really slow truck of Ben Goldberg. Cameron gonna lead lap 26. 3 wide behind Cameron. Almost 4 wide. Zach really haunting down Cameron right now. Looks like that he really wants to lead. Mike is gonna do the crossover. No, not the crossover, my bad. Mike gonna try to take second. Cameron gonna lead 2 laps in a row. Looks like the pack's getting a little bit of faded out because of the lap trucks. Mike gonna battle with Cameron. Going at the preferred line in 3 and 4. Still side by side. They're not gonna give up, and Mike could clear Cameron, but Cameron gonna fight back. Jacob gonna go under Mike. 2 by 2. Tony Mayo making a 3 wide. And Newberry clear of Ethan, gonna run that middle lane with Tony. Jacob gonna pull away with the lead as they catch Ben Goldberg in the slow truck. Jacob's gonna try to get around Ben. He's gonna lead lap 29. Jacob's gonna get clear of Ben. Tyler Michael and a couple others gonna get hold up. Jacob gets nobody to battle with except for a lap truck of Tyler Markle. Cody gonna try to get the draft off of the lap truck. That might help him get the win. If that first pack can recuperate and catch them in 2 laps, that'll be a miracle. But right now there's 2 trucks trying to get work together since they are teammates trying to get around Tyler. But right now they're sticking single file. Once they hit the line, it'll be 2 laps to go, and Jacob gonna lead lap 31. Coming out in turn 1 and 2, Cody found a way under Tyler, and Emerson gonna try to follow Cody. Cody gonna clear Tyler. Gonna try to chase down Jacob. Once they hit the line, it'll be 1 more lap to go, and I don't think that huge pack is gonna get enough time to catch him. The white flag is out. Cody's right on Jacob's bumper. He's gonna make the pass in 3 and 4. Cody's all over him right now. Is he gonna make the pass in 3 and 4? Jacob's still in the lead. Cody's still sticking right behind him. Come off with 3 and 4. Jacob gets a little more higher. And Cody's not going to get the run. Jacob Zales is going to win at Atalanta. What a race. Here's your top 10. Jacob Zales 1. Cody Russell 2nd. Emerson Arden 3rd. Brandon 4th. 5th was Philip Goldberg. 6th was Bob Markle. 7th was Dylan. 8th was Jennifer. 9th was Damon. 10th was Jackson. 11th was Ken. 12th was Cameron. 13th was Tony. 14th was Jay. 15th was Landon. 16th was John. 17th was Zach. 18th was Emerson. 19th was Mike. 20th was Austin. 21st was Cal. 22nd was Ken. 23rd was Brandon. 24th was Dylan. 25th was Bob. 26th was Joseph. 27th was the 07. 28th was TJ Harris. 84 was 29th. 30th was a 44. 31st was a 68. 32 was a 02. 50 was a 33 was 50. 34th was 92. 35th was the 1. 36th was 27. Was a 27. 37th was a 75. 38th was a 52. 39th 93. 40th was a 57. 41st was 43, 42. Last place was a 42 truck. Was the 13 truck, my bad. And he had a header, so he had some big issues. And I'm sorry for the delay. I just had stuff to do this weekend, and I was just all caught up this 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you hopefully Saturday if there's nothing planned, and I will post the next truckers. I'll see you guys next time at Las Vegas. I think it is. Alright, bye.